The electronics industry has a plate full of problems in it. It's some of the highest tech engineering, some of the fastest changes to market, but in its manufacturing, it still has an awful lot of issues. Yes, there's still some very good equipment like SMT machines and other things, but still so much of the electronics industry is worked on by hand. But the real problem in the electronics industry comes from suppliers. People buy their parts, their board parts, their other pieces from suppliers, and they just assume it's going to be good because there's so many millions of pieces. And we see frequently on the companies we work for that make cell phones, computers, and other types of products, we see reject rates in the 5, 6, 7, 8% range, incredibly high ranges compared to other industries such as automotive or other things that even use the same kind of electronics to make their boards. Because if you really think about a car, it's just really a big computer now. So why is that? I think it's because the electronics industry doesn't respect the extended enterprise very much. They don't go back to their suppliers to make sure their suppliers have incredibly good process control and what they're getting from supplier. Maybe they should take a page out of some of the industries that partner with specific suppliers and partner with their suppliers better so that those suppliers can work together on both engineering as well as products and come up with good products in the future and much higher quality.